Hey guys, I'm showing you this Downlite 10-pack set of hotel style pillow. So they are the bed pillows with the standard with the queen jumbo size with the 20-inch by 28-inch, soft by medium density for stomach and back sleepers. So you can wash in the machine or you can dry in that. So these are the set of 10, so it's pretty good quantity, and these are from the Downlite company. And you can see like one, these all are same. So let me open one or two and show you. So you can see this is a real jumbo size with a breathable cotton fabric. So it's a soft by medium fill for stomach and back sleeper, so you can just sleep on it. You can also, it's a machine wash in the dry with a easy care. So it's a sham stuffer, or good for the rental or the vacation properties. You can see like I put one in the the case and the other one without the pillowcase, so you can see the difference. So they both looks nice, very soft, very cozy, and it's a rolled packing, so it's easy for the vacuum thing, so take some time. And then it's a really good pillows for the rental or other houses. So you can just have like two or four pillows all together just for the decoration or for anything else. Very nice pillows.